The book of Isaiah, Yeshayahu, chapters 55 to 56. O everyone who thirsts, come to the waters, and you who have no silver, come buy and eat. Come buy wine and milk without silver and without price. Why do you weigh out silver for what is not bread, and your labor for what does not satisfy? Listen to me and eat what is good, and let your being delight itself in fatness. Incline your ear and come to me. Hear, so that your being lives, and let me make an everlasting covenant with you, the trustworthy, loving commitments of David. See, I have given him as a witness to the people, a leader and a commander for the people. See, a nation you do not know you shall call, and a nation who does not know you run to you, because of YAHUAH your Elohim and the set-apart one of Yeshayahu, for he has adorned you. Seek YAHUAH while he is to be found, call on him while he is near. Let the wrong forsake his way, and the unrighteous man his thoughts. Let him return to YAHUAH, who has compassion on him, and to our Elohim, for he pardons much. For my thoughts are not your thoughts, neither are your ways my ways, declares YAHUAH. For as the heavens are higher than the earth, so are my ways higher than your ways, and my thoughts than your thoughts. For as the rain comes down and the snow from the heavens, and do not return there, but water the earth and make it bring forth and bud, and give seed to the sower and bread to the eater, so is my word that goes forth from my mouth. It does not return to me empty, but it shall do what I please, and shall certainly accomplish what I sent it for. For with joy you go out, and with peace you are brought in. The mountains and the hills break forth into singing before you, and all the trees of the field clap the hands. Instead of the thorn, the cypress comes up, and instead of the nettle, the myrtle comes up, and it shall be to YAHUAH for a name, for an everlasting sign, which is not cut off. Thus said YAHUAH, guard right ruling and do righteousness, for near is my deliverance to come, and my righteousness to be revealed. Blessed is the man who does this, and the son of man who becomes strong in it, guarding the Sabbath lest he profane it, and guarding his hand from doing any evil. And let not the son of the foreigner who has joined himself to YAHUAH speak, saying, YAHUAH has certainly separated me from his people, nor let the eunuch say, look, I am a dry tree. For thus said YAHUAH to the eunuchs who guard my Sabbaths, and have chosen what pleases me, and are holding on to my covenant. To them I shall give in my house and within my walls a place and a name better than that of sons and daughters. I give them an everlasting name that is not cut off. Also, the sons of the foreigner who join themselves to YAHUAH to serve him, and to love the name of YAHUAH, to be his servants, all who guard the Sabbath and not profane it, and are holding on to my covenant. Them I shall bring to my set-apart mountain, and let them rejoice in my house of prayer. Their ascending offerings and their slaughterings are accepted on my slaughter place, for my house is called a house of prayer for all the peoples. The Master YAHUAH who gathers the outcasts of Yisrael declares, I gather still others to him besides those who are gathered to him. All you beasts of the field, come to devour all you beasts of the forest. His watchmen are blind, all of them, they have not known. All of them are dumb dogs, unable to bark, dreaming, lying down, loving to slumber. And the dogs have a strong appetite, they never have enough. And they are shepherds. They have not known understanding. All of them look to their own way, everyone for his own gain, for his own end, saying, Come, let me bring wine and fill ourselves with strong drink, and tomorrow shall be as today, even much greater.